Hey, what's up, guys? As y'all can see, we in the air, dog, man, and we back with another video. On this video right here, man, I'm just gonna give y'all pretty much a full walkthrough of the Lincoln, man. I know most of the videos I posted, you know, they only show certain aspects of the car, you know. I'ma give y'all a full detailed walk around of the car. It's a 03 Lincoln Town Car Executive Edition. You know, besides a couple of mods and everything else I'm doing to it. But, you know, with it being so many in the, you know, just around, I want mine to stand out, you know. I want it to stand out. Got to be different, man. There's too many on riding around, man, and I want mine to stick out like a sore thumb, y'all. So if you're here just watching the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I drop a video about this whip, man. Every single time. You'll be notified every time. And I still am gonna do the 500 subscriber giveaway, man. So if you just watching the video and you're not subscribed to the channel, man, you're losing out, because you're missing out on the chance of winning 2 Scott EVL B4 1200 watt RMS 15s, man. And like I said, I may even throw in the prefab box to go with it. Only thing you have to get is your amp kit, your wiring kit, and that's it. So, like I say, man, like I always say, if you already subscribed to the channel, man, I appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart for taking out y'all time to even check out the channel, you know, let alone subscribing to it, man. So even that means a whole lot to me, man. Okay, guys, made it home, just got all work, but I had to go and make this video for all the new subscribers, man. So I'm gonna give y'all a rundown. She's dirty right now, but like I said on the other video, man, I'm gonna keep raw footage. Whether I mispronounce something or whatever the case may be, man, I'm gonna keep the camera rolling because ain't nobody in the world. Crank it up and it feel that extra weight, or it feel like it's uneven, it's gonna level itself out. So I mean, I have no problem at all with that. So I still running my air suspension. Didn't have to cut in the rear, didn't have to do nothing. The rear rims went straight on. I mean, the front wheels went straight on, but for me to be able to turn Like, I can cut my wheel deep as I want. No scrubbing, no scratching, no nothing. None of that. But, as y'all can see, can I get a close up on that? That's the brand of the wheels I'm running on at this moment, y'all. At this moment, these the wheels I'm running. I may change them. I may keep them. I don't know, y'all. You know, all this, at the end of the day, all this stuff materialistic, it comes and goes. So, you know, I may see something else that catch my eye that I may feel a better fit for the car. But at this point, I'm loving the way the car look. I'm loving the gray and the black, the way everything playing off each other, man. So I may keep them, honestly. But yeah, this is the front wheel. I don't know if I'll be able to get in there and show y'all the lifters or whatever I got in it, but I did have to lift the car. The car is lifting in the front. It really is lifting in the front. And I don't know if I'll be able to get in there and show y'all that neither. Hold on. Well, no, I had to cut the wheel for y'all to see that. But I did have to do a little trimming. I wouldn't call it cutting. I had to do a little trimming. Just a little trimming. It's really not noticeable, but I did have to do a little trimming. And like I said, I'm going to show y'all the good, the bad, the ugly of the car. So, alright. I'm missing the impact script. As y'all can see, I'm missing the impact script. And that happened early one morning. I was on my way to work, and a wild hog walked out in the road on me. And I didn't have time to slow down and stop. Was it gonna swerve and run in the ditch? So honestly, I pretty much ran him over. And he messed my bumper up. He knocked the impact strip off. And I don't know if y'all can see that neither. All this right here, what y'all looking at. All this right here, what y'all looking at, was pushed out. Like it was out a little bit. So. I got blue LEDs in every single light in this car. I got neon blue LEDs in every single light. Every light. Like, I'm not lying. Every single light in this car got blue LED. Y'all think I'm lying? I'm not lying. Flip that down. Bam. Flip that down. Bam. Well, y'all know how the LED be tripping sometimes. Some of them I got to replace, man, because they, like I said, they be tripping sometimes. But when I say wherever is a light at in this car, it got neon blue. because in the small town that I live in, it's several Lincolns. Like when I say several, it's several. And if I were to take my wheels off and put my factory wheels back on, it's actually a car the exact same as mine. Like no exaggeration, it's a car exactly like mine. It's gray, tinted windows, it's same factory wheels. Like you would think he me when he passed by. So that's the point of me. I ain't gonna say that's the point of me making this channel, but I got to make my car stand out, man. Like when I pull up, I don't want nobody to mistake my car for nobody else's car. Like everybody already know that. Crunch 1000 on my mids and highs for now. I got a crunch 1000 on my mids and highs for now. I do have a extra battery back here, which I am gonna be adding more, or either going lithium. I ain't sure yet, but lithium sounds good to me. But y'all probably see the stickers on the car. It's obnoxious. I am part of the my bad, y'all. I may around and drop my phone, but I am part of a car audio club. We go to shows, we get demos, we do all that, man. So, like I said on the channel, man, it's gonna be a channel about this Lincoln and car audio, cause that's what I'm into, y'all. So, pretty much, man, that's it.